Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So it is currently 1:09 in the morning and I figured what better night to show my wonderful YouTube channel my nighttime skincare routine than at 1 in the morning after I've done my Halloween makeup. If you're interested on like how I got this leftover look, I'll post that video in the cards above so you guys can see it. But for starters, I have to get all this off my face. If I go to sleep like this, it's gonna be awful and my skin is just gonna look awful in the morning. So for starters, I'm gonna be using some makeup wipes and I just got these from Ross. These are the Polished Charcoal Facial Wipes for sensitive skin. Removes all makeup, even waterproof mascara. So I'm going to be taking one of those to begin the process of getting this all off of my face. And I have bottom lashes too. So we're going to wipe those off as gently as possible. You definitely don't want to just rip your eyelashes off, especially when I have them on the underside. That's a very, very sensitive area. So now that my makeup wipe got the first layer of kind of stuff off, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my face wash, which is the Glytone Mild Cleansing Gel. I talked about this in my morning skincare routine. I got this from my dermatologist, and we're going to go ahead and use that. So after I have thoroughly washed my face, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off with a little bit of cool water. So I've rinsed off my face, but I'm pretty sure that didn't get everything off of my skin. So just to be sure that there's no like residue or remaining makeup on my face, I'm gonna use my Breeze Astringent. Again, it's for sensitive skin. And I'm gonna use this and some cotton balls to just wipe off anything that could be remaining on my face. Just make sure my skin is good and clear. So now that my face actually feels like all the product is off of it, I'm gonna exfoliate, which I usually only exfoliate my skin probably once a month. I'm not really big on exfoliating. Dry skin doesn't really build up on my face or anything like that. But my best friends bought this sugar scrub for me for my birthday by Hand in Hand because they know how much I love sustainable companies. So they bought me this for my birthday and I'm going to be using it for the first time today. So this is their Cactus Blossom Sugar Scrub. So yeah, we're going to be testing this one out today. Ooh, that smells good. So just taking a small amount of the sugar scrub. I've used some sugar scrubs and they feel like really, really rough and harsh like on my face, and it's like kind of freaked me out. I don't know, this one feels like the granules are smaller for some reason, so it doesn't necessarily like, it doesn't feel very harsh. I'm still like extremely gentle and slow moving, but it does not feel like I have to worry about it ripping like giant holes in my face. Okay guys, so yeah, I really like this scrub. My skin feels so good. It feels so soft and so like, oh no, bouncy. It feels really good. So I might be bumping this up to like, this might be what I use for my once a month exfoliating. So good to know. Thank you, Alyssa and Jada. Thanks, boos. After I have exfoliated, I don't have any serums or anything, but I do have this sheet mask by Unmasked Beauty. And again, this came from my best friends. I might as well just say this video is sponsored by my best friends for getting me some great birthday gifts. But I'm gonna be trying out this sheet mask today. And I usually really like sheet masks. I especially love the Neutrogena sheet masks. They feel amazing. But I'm gonna be trying this one out today, which is their Masque BAR pink, bar pink. It contains pink grapefruit extract and watermelon extract. Excuse me while I become Jason really quickly. So the instructions say to leave this on for 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go watch a YouTube video and I'll be back in 20 minutes. All right guys, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this mask off. Yeah, P.S. this smells amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub just all that goodness into my skin. I will say my favorite thing about sheet mask is like if you're somebody who like doesn't have access to or just doesn't even want to purchase individual serums, I feel like sheet masks are serums because you know you don't rinse them out, you just rub them into your skin. So I feel like sheet masks are a really good way to like get some serum, kind of serum-esque vibes into your skincare, and they're just so nice. So now that all that goodness has been rubbed into my face and I'm feeling very plump and even a little moisturized, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. I talked about this in my morning skincare routine as well, so you guys already know my thoughts on it. And last but certainly not least, I'm gonna go with my moisturizer, which is gonna be the Oil-Free Clear Proof Moisturizer for acne-prone skin. And once again, I use this in my morning skincare routine as well. Alright guys, so that is everything. My skin feels so good. So please let me know if you found this video helpful, if you are gonna try the skincare routine. I know it's not as crazy as some people's, but it works for me and it's given me like really good results for my skin. So if you found this video helpful and if you enjoyed it, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on the way out. It would really mean a lot to me. And thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.